I can't provide medical advice, but I can share some general tips for reducing body weight. Incorporate more physical activity into your daily routine. Regular exercise can help you burn calories and maintain a healthy weight. Reduce your calorie intake by making healthier food choices. Choose whole nutrient-dense foods that are low in calorie but high in nutrients. Practice portion control. Be mindful of how much you eat and try to avoid overeating. Stay hydrated. Drink more water. Drinking water can help you feel fuller and reduce your calorie intake. Get enough sleep is very important. Lack of sleep can disturb your metabolism and make it harder for your body to burn calories. Seek support from family and friends. Having a support system can help you stay motivated and accountable. Remember that sustainable weight loss takes time and effort. Be patient and consistent with your efforts, and don't hesitate to seek help from a healthcare professional if needed.